car back with another motovlog. Oh, what the fuck was that?
और अभी तो रुको, क्लाइमैक्स अभी बाकी.
Oh, that's a pretty interesting position to ride. Elbows up. There are traffic now in the places that I never thought it would be. I don't know, this is not even a place to be this crowded. Damn. Mission passed. Oh, very good place to park. I don't know how come these have civic sense. Mission passed. The audacity of that driver, he was looking back. That who is honking? भाई तू रोड के बीच में खड़ा है. Oh, finally. This is a place where we can roll again. So welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Omkar, back with another motovlog. Oh, what the fuck was that? He planned to kidnap someone, but there was nobody. Nobody. Also, guys, I just wanted to give you a heads up that I'm going to post a new video soon. That would be on my new jacket. That is the Rhino Cypher GT. Please keep an eye on the channel. Please subscribe, like, and share the channel. I've taken an action camera as well. I've also put a vlog, a moto vlog that I've shot with my Action 4. So please give it some love.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है, ये बात है. अरे सर क्या बात है.
माँ खराब हो जाएगा. मैं माँ अम्मा बहन पे आ जाऊंगा. मैं इनकी अम्मा बहन पे आ जाऊंगा.
This is the sweetest Mercedes I've ever seen. I mean, there is also a 200, I don't know, CDI or some 200 it comes. That's also pretty sweet. लेन वो क्या होता है? हम लेन विन कुछ ना जाने.
रोम रोम भाइयों, सिस्टम पार देंगे.